Hi, I'm Matt, founder of Lux Lights. If you're here, you probably have questions about permanent holiday lighting, and I'm here to break it all down, from LED quality to installation process and pricing. We've seen a lot over the years, including the regret that can come when a system from another company doesn't live up to the expectations. We've helped many homeowners who thought they were saving money only to pay twice, once for the original setup and again when we replaced it with a system that will truly last. My goal with this video is simple: to help you ask the right questions up front so you feel great about your choice, whether it's with us or not. Let's start with the big question. What makes Lux Lights different? You may have heard, lights are just lights, or companies are all the same. That couldn't be further from the truth. What makes us really different depends on what matters most to you. If your goal is to stay off the ladder for good, our lights are some of the best out there. They come with a lifetime warranty and are rated for 100,000 hours. That's double the industry standard, and around 40 years of regular use. And if one ever fails, they're modular, so we can swap out a single light without cutting or splicing wires. If ease of use matters most, our app delivers. It comes loaded with hundreds of preset patterns for holidays, game days, or everyday accent lighting. And if for some reason those aren't enough, you can create your own too. The built-in timers adjust with the seasons, so you can set them once and forget it. The app is cloud-based, so even if you're across the world, you can control your lights with just a tap. If value is your priority, our RGB WW LEDs offer unmatched flexibility. They have over 16 million colors and have a dedicated warm diode, so you get warm white, cool white, or pure white. That means you can customize them to use year-round to highlight peaks, pillars, or any feature of your home. And if installation quality matters to you, it does to us too. We're really proud of our mounting system. It's a custom track we fabricate in-house. One wing tucks under the lip of your fascia to protect it from the wind, while the other is secured with a color-matched screw that's invisible from the street. One thing that we'll never do is drill into your gutters. If you want outward-facing lights, we can do that, but most of our customers love the clean, downward-facing look. It creates a soft, ambient glow that's perfect not just for Christmas, but for the 4th of July, Halloween, or accent lighting all year long. Here's something you should know. The permanent lighting industry is like the Wild West. There are no licenses, permits, or inspections required. Anyone with a ladder can throw up lights. And we've seen it all. Wires across roof lines, lights mounted through gutters. At Lux Lights, we do things differently. We run wires through attics, fish them through soffits, or use custom aluminum channels to hide and protect everything. So, how long does installation take? Most homes are done in a day. We'll start with a walkthrough in the morning, and at that point, we may need access to the attic or garage. Then we wrap up with a quick app tutorial once everything is installed. And what does it cost? That depends on how much of your home you want lit, the complexity, and the time of year. But to give you a ballpark, lighting just the front of an average home usually ranges between $2,000 and $4,000. To get an exact price, we'll send a lighting expert to measure, match colors, and show you some options. If this was helpful, we've got 2 easy next steps. Click Get an Instant Estimate for a ballpark price, or click Schedule a Consultation to meet with a lighting expert. We look forward to helping you light up your home.